Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the side signaling lamps with a dynamic LED lamps. Yesterday I received in the mail this box in which there are two dynamic LED signaling lamps. I ordered from the AliExpress. You will find the link in the description of the video. From there you can choose the black lens as you see in my video with Peugeot 308 dynamic LED lamps, or with this silver lens as they are. These LED lamps are compatible with Peugeot 307, 206, 107, 407, 607 and Citroen C1, C2, C3, C5, C6, but also with other models. The lamps are plug and play and CAN bus compatible. They will not give error in the dashboard computer. To remove the old lamps we need a plastic lever. You find in the description of the video the link for these plastic lever tools. Insert the plastic lever under the old lamp and pull it out. After removing the lamp, I disconnect the power plug. Now I connect the power plug to the new lamp. Now that I have installed the new lamp, I will test it. You can choose the direction in which to follow LEDs front or rear. Do the same with the other side to change the lamp. Everything works fine after I change the lamps and I really like it. If this clip is useful, I invite you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time with a new video.